Good evening, everybody. Akshaya, Pratima, anybody is joining from your class? I am just waiting for them so that I can start. Please confirm with your classmates. Okay, good evening, everybody. I think still nobody has joined. I am not sure why, but anyway, it is a long time, so I will just start now. I hope everybody can see my screen. So, as I tell every class, go to the session and set working directory. Then go to choose directory. I have my work in. I have made folder in C drive. Sorry, D drive. Okay. So you would be thinking that I am not saving anything in the what you call in the folder, but very soon it will happen. So you can check it out. Okay, so we are in this bar plot. So we executed, I think, the first code. So let us move forward. Know what I had shared in the last class. Okay, so color did we do? Color also you had done it. Okay. So we'll do with the density. Okay. So next is bar width. Okay. So width has also come. Now if you want horizontal bars, so you have to give the command hori. Okay, so you can see that you are getting the horizontal bars. So you can implement all this bars and all in your practicals or any projects if you are doing. Okay. Okay. Now we will directly. I will come to this introduction to statistics. So after statistics, so minimum things I will tell you. So you like basic statistics. There is a mean, median, mode, minimum, maximum, percentile, variance, and deviation, correlation. That's all I will take for you. This will be minimum ones, and after that I will go with Linux. As told initially, I will not go deep with Linux because we just want or we just need Linux platform for the chipset. So whatever is the requirement in Linux, very limited things I will be teaching you. But statistics, yes, it will be needed much. Some of the command will be very much useful. So I will be taking the minimum. So hopefully by next week I will start with the Linux. So don't install anything in your system until and unless I tell you. Okay, do not go and install Linux or any other softwares. What I tell you, then not that only you try to install. Okay. Okay. So what is mean? Everybody will be knowing what is mean. Mean is the average. Okay. So that is the general definition. So I will not go anything further with mean because that is not a part. I just wanted to demonstrate how R can be programmed for mean. So this is the general definition. If you want, you can take it, or you will have a better definition for you in the books. So how I will do is it is very simple. So just you to give the command as mean. That is the only command. You see, you will be getting the mean. Okay. So for bioinformatics students, You can do all mathematics and statistics just with codes. There is no need to learn even if it is there in your syllabus. That is the beauty which we are having. Okay, so just one word, mean, and you can give the values anything, and it will be doing for you. So simple it is in R. Even for the median, I think everybody knows it is the middle value. So again for median, it is just one line. Okay, median. That's it, and you will be getting the median. Okay, so that is the power we have. That is why R is so simple. But for other like Python, you have to load packages like statistics packages or NumPy for doing it. In R, it is inbuilt. Okay, so that you should remember it. Why Python it is not widely used for statistics? Just because that it is not an inbuilt package. We have to load the package and then you have to do it. Whereas in Python, it is all done. Stats package is there. NumPy, pandas you have to import. Then only you can do it. So Python is supported with this one packages. For R, for this simple things, package is not. It is meant for this. So I think you can understand the difference between R and Python. Okay. Now one more now problem is that now next part is mode. So in mode there is for R there is nothing. That is the problem. So you have to define it. Okay. Remember that for median and mode it is sorry median and mean it is one line, just one command. But for mode there is nothing in R. So you have to do something for that. So why I am writing it is that you should understand. R does not include a built-in function for statistical mode. Okay, but you need to define it. Okay, it is shared till mean. Yeah, mean is median is done. Mean is done. So for mode only thing you have to define first the mode and then you have to call that function. Okay, that is it. Okay, so here you are defining mode. So that is all inbuilt. You can do it. It is common for everything, and then you have to define your work. Okay, and check it out. It will work. Okay. So as I told you, for mean and median, just it is one line. But for mode, you have to do some like you have to you have to call you have to build a function. Others are all inbuilt. Okay. Now we'll use the variance. Variance again, it is inbuilt. See, I am just taking for you basic statistics, very, very basics. And I am just solving using the R codes because it will be needed for you in the chipset. Okay? So don't think I am teaching directly statistics. Statistics is you can get the formulas in your books and all. So I will just tell in how you can do it. Okay? So here you are preparing a list for the items and then you are directly giving the command bar list. Okay, so that is all for variance. One line. Okay, so I hope everybody is understanding because these are all one line codes. Let me know. Pratima, Akshaya,
Yes,
are
sir.
you able to follow? It is all one line code. Saida, Varshini.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think today only four people are there. I don't know why. Okay, just okay, fine, not a problem. So standard deviation again it is one line. So again standard deviation you should be studied in your books. I will not much go in the detail what you call definitions, but just for the sake of understanding, I am giving it in case if you want to know what it is. Okay, so the definition is given to you. Again, for in R, it is the just one or two letters. Okay, it is just two letters for your for standard deviation. It is SD. Okay, so you can see list and SD list. That's it. So you will get the standard deviation. For standard deviation, if you have to do manually, you need to spend at least two full pages of a long notebook. But in if you are doing with R, just these two letters are sufficient. Okay. So I will. Shall I go? That's what I'm thinking. Shall I go with correlation and regression? Just I will go with correlation, and I will stop. Then from tomorrow I will be no. I will start with the real data sets. One moment, everybody, my screen is hanging. One moment. One moment. Miss Sweeney has joined. One moment. Yeah. So correlation. So you're just using the COR function. Okay. This is the simple definition. You can get better definitions in your books. So this is very simple. So you have defined the two values, x and y, the series. First, you can give the correlation. Then you can make use of Pearson for method. I think in the statistics you should have learned it. Pearson, Kendall, and Spearman. Okay. So these all things you can do for correlation in R. Okay. So it is very simple. That is why R is so powerful. These are all inbuilt function. Then there is one particular command in R, so you can do everything. Okay, so what I will do today, I will just try to take one particular data set and do it for you, and it will hardly take any time. So let us do it, and then I will stop for today's class. One moment, everybody. Okay. So now what I will do is I will give a very small data set for you, and we will execute it. So what we are doing is iris is a default data set available. So we are just calling this iris and we are trying to do the correlation. Okay. So it will not take much time for you all. Just try to do it. Okay. Let me see if it happens for everybody or not. It will not take much time. Done everybody, yes or no? Done everybody, yes or no? Is it done for everybody? So what was the last thing I shared? Yeah, iris is given. Yeah. Okay. Now we'll take one more data set, that is empty cards. Again, it is a default database. Sorry, data set. Okay, empty cards is a default data set. Done everybody? Yes or no? Pratima Akshaya? Pratima Akshaya done?
So I'm having an issue with finding the library. It's showing an error.
Error, what error it is coming?
There's no package
No
called
package,
DB.
so you can install the package. One moment. I will tell you install.package, then you have to give a dplyr. Just check it if it is working or not. Okay. It will take some time. If it is installing very good, if not, let me know. Happening?
Yes, sir.
Akshaya?
Yes, sir.
Saida?
Yes, sir.
And who else is there? Varshini.
Yeah, sir,
Varshini?
finished.
Sorry?
Yes, sir, got it.
Got it. Okay. Manaswini?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. So done for everybody? Yes or no? If this is done, then till this empty cars it is done for everybody. Pratima, is it done till empty cars?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So another 1 or 2 minutes I will take for you today. Then I will conclude it for today. So some of the information you can get that I will tell you for this. Empty cards, one moment. Empty cards is the default data set within R. So for you can, if you want, you can get some information. So for dim is the command to find the dimension. I think I had told in the some of the classes in the beginning. Okay. So what is done here? We are using the first, that is what we are doing. We are using the dim function. Dim I told, I think dimension. Then one more command I am using here, the names. Okay. So first you are loading the empty cards and you are taking a label by name data cards. So you are finding the dimension of the data cards, how much it is, and then names. Okay. So complete thing I will give it to you. So what we'll do, we'll take get hold of the rows. So row names. Okay. So till how much I have shared to you. Names is given. Then row names. Okay. Then there is one particular command by name summary. So if you give summary, you'll get everything. Okay. Summary is the command. If you give that, you will get everything for the particular data set. Okay. So with this particular, I will be ending it for today. Summary, I will just give it to you. Okay. So, next class I will be using one more data set, small data set, and use a very simple statistical work. Okay. And in the next class I will not take tomorrow. So next class will be on Sunday. Please remember, everybody, just circulate in your class. So if Sunday, if you are all okay, Sunday by 6 o'clock I will be taking your class. So every day, remember, the usual classes will be 6 to 7 usually, and I will try to take the classes 6 to 8 once I finish all this introduction part and all. Then I will try to take it between 6 to 8. Okay, otherwise, as usual, classes will be between 6 to 7. Initially, also I tried it, but due to the inspections and all, I was forced to take the classes by 7:30. So usually it will be 6 o'clock. So Sunday, as usual, 6 o'clock. Monday, as usual, 6 o'clock. If there is any changes, I will update in the group, but usually it will be 6 o'clock from now onwards. And only one Sunday I will be taking for you. I am very sorry. Sunday I will be taking the class because I have to compensate your classes. They like tomorrow and day after I will not be able to take, so that I will be taking on Sunday. Okay, is it fine for everybody? Just let everybody know so that on Sunday everybody joins. And if Sunday, if I'm able to complete one small data set work, then I will go ahead directly with the Linux. Okay. So before concluding, you need to save it. And one more option you have to do is save workspace. So what is the last name I gave? I think 12 or something. So let me give us 13. Okay. Because from the next class onwards, this will be important. Not next class, but when actually I will be starting with the chipset, you have to first load everything. Otherwise, it will not work. These are all one line command. Now you are using it. But when properly it comes, it will be like it will be multiple of commands. So, and there will be linkage between all the commands. So in the succeeding classes, it will be like this. So make your habit to use this in the R. Okay. Okay, then good night, everybody. And today's recordings, it will be there in as public. Others also, I will make it public, and you can use it. Okay. I don't know why you are not able to use, because usually private you can use if it is like if it is directly shared with you. So many people have come are telling that they are not able to use it. So today's is made public only. Any doubts in the today's class? Let me know, because the next class directly it will be on data sets. I hope you are following the classes every day. And if you are not attending the class, make sure that you are viewing the recordings. Okay, then if there is no questions, no queries, then I will close the class. Any questions from anybody? Okay, then good night, everybody. See you on Sunday. Remember it. The next class will be on Sunday. Good night.